राकेश एंड अशोक earned a profit of rupees 5,000 rupees. दो पार्टनर्स है राकेश और अशोक, और कितना प्रॉफिट अर्न किया उन्होंने प्रॉफिट अर्न किया है 5,000 का. दे एम्प्लॉयड कैपिटल ऑफ 25,000 इन द फर्म. उन्होंने अपना कैपिटल कितना एम्प्लॉय किया था 25. सो व्हेन दे हैव इन्वेस्टेड 25,000 का कैपिटल इन द बिजनेस, उनको कितना प्रॉफिट मिला? 5,000 का प्रॉफिट दे हैव गॉट इट. It is expected that the normal rate of return is 15% of the capital. Now we know that अगर हमें normal profit find out करना है तो we will require two things. We will require a average capital employed and we will require a NRR. Now this both the things are given to us. हमें दोनों चीज दिया है, capital employed भी दिया है और normal rate of return भी दिया है. Calculate the amount of goodwill if the goodwill is valued at a 3 years purchase of the super profit. Now here you have to find out this through a goodwill through a super profit method. और कितने years of the purchase बोला है? 3 years of the purchase. So let's first find out the के actual profits क्या है मेरे firm के. तो first I will write के what is my actual profits. So actual profit is equals to rupees 5,000. Now for finding out the super profit, we will require a normal profit. Normal profit will be equal to capital employed multiply by NRR in percentage. So either you write down NRR or what you can do, you can just write down NRR in the percentage or directly write down divided by 100. Either of the way is correct. Okay, now just put it in the formula and find out the normal profit. Capital employed is given 25,000. Multiply by NRR. NRR is how much? 15%. So if I'm writing down 15%, there is no need to write it down the 100, divide by 100. So either आप percentage लिखो या तो divided by 100 करो. It is one and the same. So this will be equals to how much? Rupees 7. So we have finded out the normal profit now. Now the next part will be to find out the super profit. तो पहले तो ये देख लो कि super profit कितना हो रहा है. Super profit is equals to actual profit minus normal profit. This is equals to actual profit 5,000 rupees and normal profit we have just find it out. This will be equals to 1,250. Now the next step will be to find out the goodwill through a formula. So goodwill is equals to super profit number of years this is equals to super profit we got rupees 1250. Number of years purchase, see over here they have told us that it is will be the 3 years of purchase. This will be equal to 1250 into 3, 3750. And we are done with our sum. Easy. Yes. So in this question, they have just asked us to find out the goodwill through a super profit. तो उसके लिए actual profit पता था and normal profit we have just find it out. This will be goodwill, double D हो गया. Now next sum, ऐसे ही एक sum देखते हैं. That is 7th B. Now let's see first what is given. Partnership firm earned the net profits during the past 3 years as follows. They have given us the past 3 years ka net profit for 2017, 18 and 19. Okay, profits de diya, net profit de diya. Capital employed in the following in the firm through the above mentioned period has been rupees 4 lakh. Kitna capital invest kiya hai? They have capital investment of the 4 lakh rupees. Having regard to the risk, 15% is considered to be the fair return on the capital. Now this 15% of the fair return on the capital is nothing but this is your NRR. This is your NRR. तो हमेशा याद रखो कि ये जो 15% fair return on the capital बोला है वो आपका NRR है, normal rate of return. The remuneration of the partner during this period is estimated to rupees 1 lakh per annum. हम पार्टनर्स को कितना रेम्यूनरेशन दे रहे हैं? हम 1 लाख का रेम्यूनरेशन दे रहे हैं फॉर दिस ईयर्स फॉर द ईयर 2017, 18 एंड 19 तीनों साल हमने क्या दिया? रेम्यूनरेशन दिया है. Calculate the value of a goodwill on the basis of 2 years of the purchase of an average super profit earned during the above mentioned 3 years. आपको क्या find out करना है? आपको find out करना है average super profit and the number of the years which has been given is 2 years. 2 years का they have given us the purchase. Now सबसे पहले तो we know that this is a we have to calculate over here the goodwill by a purchase of the super profit method. Clearly state कर दिया है average super profit. So purchase or super profit method is your the method. So goodwill will be equal to what will be the formula? Super profit into number of years of purchase. ठीक है, अब उसके लिए सबसे पहले आपको नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा बिकॉज डायरेक्टली दे हैव नॉट गिवन यू द नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट. सो व्हाट इज अ फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग आउट द नॉर्मल प्रॉफिट? एवरेज कैपिटल एम्प्लॉयड इनटू एनआरआर डिवाइड बाय 100. नाउ यहाँ पर देखो they have used the word capital investment. So capital investment is only your capital employed कि आपने कितना एम्प्लॉय किया, आपने कितना इन्वेस्ट किया है. तो आपने इन्वेस्ट किया है 4 लाख रुपीस का. सो लेट्स डू, सिर्फ यहाँ पर हम फॉर्मूला में प्लेस करेंगे. वी हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन फॉर दिस. 4 लाख how much is the NRR? 15%. So 15 divided by 100. Either you write down the percentage or you write down directly divide by 100. This will be equals to rupees 60,000. ठीक है, so we got a normal rate of profit 15,000. Sorry, 60,000. Now we have a profit before partners remuneration. ठीक है, तो अब रेम्यूनरेशन उसमें से माइनस करेंगे तब हमें मिलेगा कि एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट आफ्टर रेम्यूनरेशन मेरा कितना है. ठीक है, वी नीड टू सबट्रैक्ट इट अप. सो प्रॉफिट बिफोर पार्टनर रेम्यूनरेशन वाज 1,70,000, 2 लाख एंड 2,30,000. उसमें से व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल सबट्रैक्ट द पार्टनर्स का रेम्यूनरेशन व्हिच वी आर गोइंग टू गिव इट अप. So after giving whatever would be the profit, that will be after the giving the remuneration, because they have told you that during the year 1 lakh per annum का it is given, remuneration is given to the partner. ठीक है, उतना रेम्यूनरेशन पार्टनर को देने के बाद वॉट एवर वुड बी द एक्चुअल प्रॉफिट दैट विल बी योर आफ्टर रेम्यूनरेशन. सो और वो भी हमें क्या बोला है, इट विल बी फॉर द अबाउ मेंशन ईयर्स. सो फॉर द ईयर 2017, 18 एंड 19 हम उसको टेबल फॉर्म में करेंगे तो वो और इजी हो जाएगा. दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव जस्ट मेड अप द टेबल ओवर हियर. सो 17 का पार्टनर का रेम्यूनरेशन, सी बिफोर रेम्यूनरेशन प्रॉफिट वाज 1,70,000. Then for 2018 it was 2 lakh, and for 2019 it is 2,30,000. Subtract 1 lakh rupees of the partner का remuneration. So this will be equals to 1,70,000 में से 1 लाख को subtract करोगे तो you will be getting 70,000. 2 lakh minus 1 lakh, 1 lakh. And 2,30,000 minus 1 lakh is 1,30,000. Now we can find out the average profit, because ये हमें actual profit मिल गया है after remuneration. Average actual profit after remuneration. So this will be equals to 70,000. plus 1 lakh plus 1 lakh 30 divided by this will be equals to 3 lakh divided by 3, which will be equals to 1 lakh rupees. Now, what is the number of the years which they have told you? 2 years is the number of years. But before finding out the number of years, you need to find it out the super profit. So super profit is equals to average actual profit after remuneration minus normal profit. One lakh minus normal profit was 60,000, which will be equals to rupees 40. Now the number of years of purchase is given, that is 2 years. So we can easily find out the goodwill. So goodwill is equals to super profit multiply by number of years purchase. So super profit is 40,000 into 2. Will be rupees 80,000. We are done. So in this sum, they have just asked us to find out the goodwill through a super profit, but the partner ka remuneration was been given. So first we have subtracted it and then we have just find it out. Average actual profit find out kiya, then super profit we have find it out. The number of the years was already been mentioned, and then later part may we find it out the goodwill.